How to add fixed assets in Zoho Books. Need to record office furniture, vehicles, or equipment in Zoho Books? Let's add fixed assets step by step. So, from your Zoho Books dashboard, go ahead and head over into the accounting tab. And then from here, go ahead and select fixed assets and then click on new assets. So, under the asset name, purchase date, purchase price, vendor, and useful life. For example, office furniture purchase on March 1st. Upload the purchase invoice or receipt to keep records audit ready. Choose a depreciation method like straight line. Zoho Books will automatically calculate depreciation over the asset's useful life. Click Save and your asset now appears in the fixed assets register where you can track depreciation, disposal, or sale. And that is how you add fixed assets in Zoho Books.